Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to build a push-up buggy. Let's get started. So first, you need to attach the cos lock into the motor, like this way. And then you will need to attach it into a white piece like this. And then you see there's a hole up there. Attach it to another piece like this. And punch it in. So do the same thing again for other side. And make sure they're about the same direction like this. Great. So next, we're going to build the front arm. Push two pieces of the back lock into it, and then attach it to the white L-shaped piece, like this. Same thing again for the other side. Now you will need to grab the 5 holes orange piece, and then attach 2 gray pieces for the first and the second hole, like this. Same thing again for the other one. Okay. Grab one of it and then attach the back piece to the second hole here, like this way. Simply put it together, cut it, and then get the 3 holes orange piece, and pass it together. Same thing. And then flip it around to the other side. Attach one more to the 3rd holes here. 1, 2, 3. And push it in. And then do another one for the first, like this way. Now you can put it onto the white L-shaped piece. Flip it around like this way, and then you can attach it for the orange to the top here, and then the other one to the second hose like this, and punch it in. Got it? So we got one side finished. And then right now, take one of the long pieces and then push 2 yellow gear, go through it like this, and then put it in, and just set it aside like this way. Okay? And then right now we're going to do the other side of the arm. So the same thing again. We're going to grab the orange piece with 2 holes, which is attached with the gray pieces here, right? And then do the same thing again. The top one with the orange, 3 holes. And then the bottom one with the back L shape, like this way. Okay? And then flip it around. Do the 3rd holes here. 1, 2, 3. And then put it in. And then do the first for the orange. Then now you can attach the back and the orange together, like this. Oops. And then push it in, like this way. And grab the piece and put it back in. I'm going to span a little bit, but it's totally fine. And then right now, make sure you push those 2 into a bar. So it can go like this. Great. Now punch through the gray piece for the 2 holes at the end there, and then attach it to the white piece like this, and then use another long bar here to go through it. Those. Got it? This way. Then build the legs on it. Other side. Then you are done with the push-up body. Attach your M center pass. Make sure you connect to the hub of D2 and D3, and then back to the other side of it. That's it. Very easy, right? Okay. That's all for the video today. This is the push-up body. Thank you so much.